Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching bases on AMC Entertainment. That's ticker symbol AMC. So let's look at it, y'all. Today we up. We up 21.5%, and after hours we up another 1.1%. We closed over $11. So this morning, I know as soon as y'all woke up, y'all seen this massive dip drop in the market. I looked at it as straight opportunity, straight gift opportunity, opportunity to load up on all the stocks that we've been covering. It was hella opportunity. I hope everybody took advantage. I hope you didn't have weekends and get shooken out. So you already know. Let's go ahead and cover AMC though, y'all. We're gonna touch bases real quick, like just let y'all know what the new support, new resistance, and all that good stuff. And for the ones that's not in on it, if you want to get in on it, we'll let you know some good price targets and stuff. So let's check it out, y'all. AMC, we opened at $8.95. That open, we hit exactly where I told y'all we would hit. From when we was at $15 a share, go look at the previous videos. I told y'all we could possibly come down to this $8.95. That's what previous resistance was. We came all the way down from 14 all the way to $8.95 where previous resistance was. We bounced off that $8.95 quick as hell and shot straight back up. End up hitting $11.30 on today. And that 11.30 is a crucial point. I'm so glad that we hit it. It's because, man, at 11.29, 11.30, that's where our next resistance is. Soon as we get back up, if this thing can get back up and retest that $11.30, soon as it touch that, we fly. We fly from there. We'll fly straight up to $11.80, and from $11.80 we will have to hit. We're gonna go straight to $12, $12.30, $12.50 range, and $12.50 will be our resistance once we get to that level. Once we get to $12.50, that will shoot us straight and break $12.50. That will take us back to where we previously was in the $14 range. And $14, we know our previous resistance anyway was $13.50, $13.30, $13.30, $13.50. As soon as we broke that previously, before this right here happened, if we broke $13.30, this thing's supposed to run straight up to $19.90, $20, where it was on the first run up. But now that we had this little interruption, this pullback that I had called, because it just ran up so quickly and so sharply that I knew it was just time for a pullback. And on the way up to retest this $12.50 and $14 level, we could see some more pullbacks along the way. It's not going to just go straight up. Like right now, we trading at about $11.09. But I could see this thing potentially pulling back and testing that $11 support right around 11.01, 11.02. If it don't hold that, we could potentially pull all the way back to like $10.50, $10.30 before this thing see the rest of the upside potential that it has. So our price target for AMC, we could get up out of AMC at we can most definitely jump up out of this play around $19, $20 a share. And you know, once we get to that point, you already know what we can do. We just like to be safe. We can offload half our position, 70% our position, and let the rest of our shares ride for free, ride on house money. So that's how we will play this one out. And you know, just stay buckle up for the ride. It's going to be a bumpy ride. You're going to have ups and downs, but this thing is most definitely bullish right now. We could see another slight pullback, so don't get worried. But we, for the long run, for the long haul, we is most definitely in a bullish trend. We just had to have that slight pullback, that slight correction. And for the ones that's trying to hop on this, that ain't get in, have the chance to get in the 550 range with us, you could still get in on this, but you want to be extra careful. So I would wait for a pullback around 1030 or 1050, because it's going to pull back again before we continue to run up. So I will wait around a pullback for around $10.30 or $10.20, and I would strike. And then if this thing pull all the way back to the nines, I will get a few more shares. I don't think we could go back to the 8s anymore. I told y'all we gonna touch them 8s before we bounce back up. We could go back and retest that 8.95 and see how we hold up there. And if we don't hold that 8.95, this thing going straight back down to 550 for where you can reload at, and it's gonna shoot right back up. That's how it's gonna operate. That's the same thing that happened with the Express. I put y'all in on that. We got in at $2.50. It ran up to $5 plus. Then it came all the way back down to under $2.50, to $2.40 something. And now it's ran right back up to almost $5 at $4.50. So it's not too far fetched. If this thing come back down and retest that 896, if it break 890, you might want to, if you got in too high, you might want to sell out majority of your shares and buy back in for a cheaper price, because it will run back up. But it's going to shake out weak hands and weak investors before it make that move. So that's all I got for y'all this video. Consider joining the family. You already know we post this type of content every single day, and we love y'all. God bless. We out.